Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You can't see my eyes. We're gonna go do some shoulders and some back right now. My legs are still incredibly sore from when I did that hypertrophy leg workout the other day. So, about to slam some shoulders and back. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, workout is complete, in the books, donezo. About to get ready for our employee meeting. I'm gonna get some stuff organized, get some computer work done. I was gone all weekend, so I'm way behind on Instagram DMs and emails. So I'm gonna spend a large part of the day getting caught up on those. Sorry about that.
Especially kids.
Alright, y'all, so you know we got that job application pending, and we found our candidate. We've hired somebody. We're not applying with the Child Work Law Services here at Deeper State, or not Deeper State Keto, but Keto Savage, Keto Brick. Check out this. We got our new employee.
Say hi.
Jasmine. Not shy, are you, Jasmine? Alright, y'all, one of the perks of working here is you get the shirts first. Which ones y'all gonna get? Which one you want, babe?
I don't know.
I really like this Live Savage, like this one here.
I don't know.
I like
This
I
red's
like
popping
that one.
now. The red's
I
popping.
don't. Just kidding. Alright guys, we are at a different coffee shop. We are not at Starbucks. We are at Coffee with a Cause. It's actually right down the road from us. We just found it. This is our first time here, but we're super excited about it. Super cute, just a little stand like we used to have in Washington. But there's a little logo. Here we go. Are you excited?
Yeah, we'll give us a shot here. I like it.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, so taste test time. Coffee with a Cause. By the way, they changed this, like a charity every month. It changes every month, and this month, I forget what they said it was, but 10 cents from every drink goes towards that charity.
This charities is
It's pretty good.
they do scholarships for foster kids.
That's right. That's right. Very good.
You like it?
Yeah.
I like it too. It's good. Yay! No more Starbucks!
Did you have some? Alright, y'all, so we are looking for some real estate right now. Crystal and I are in the market for some real estate, and we're meeting with our agent right now to check out some places. Not sure if I'm going to put any of this on camera because I don't want to show something and it not work out. I'll definitely keep you all updated as we go, but I just want to give you a little glimpse into what we're doing right now. Alright, y'all, we liked what we saw at the properties, so now we're at my uncle's house to get some ingredients. Alright, so we got Crystal backing up the van. We got my pop over there getting the forklift. And I'm just sitting here supervising. Alright, angle it some. Pick it up more. What's going on, baby?
I'm getting mad at Robert.
Why?
Because he always leaves stuff laying around. This was just not even in the plastic. Ooh, yes, plastic.
Baby, don't listen to Crystal.
But, yes, it was just sitting here And like, what the heck am I supposed to do with it?
What are we making over here, baby?
Making your lunch. There's a pound of ground beef, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, collard greens, and mushrooms and garlic.
Ooh, you're a good woman.
Mm-hmm.
All right, y'all. It is crazy downpour out here. So, like thunder. Y'all hear that thunder? Let's go see how much is coming down. Just coming down, y'all. We got a river in our backyard over here. So that's not good. But had an electrician coming today and we got all of our lights fixed except one panel. So all of our rows are fixed. That one light right there, the ballast is out. And I've also got them ordering 6,500 Kelvin bulbs. These are 4,000 Kelvin bulbs. So when I put the 6,500 in there, it's going to be much, much brighter, and it's going to be way better for videos. So I'm really looking forward to that. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? We're finishing off the vlog here. We're sipping on a glass of wine.
Are you sipping on it or are you spilling it?
I'm spilling it.
All
Cheers.
over. Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah, you know you have struggles when you're drinking wine out of a Starbucks cup.
That's funny. This is actually a wine glass.
Yeah.
It's actually really cool. My sister bought it for me.
Can you get that bottle of wine, please? So, I talked a little bit about this in yesterday's vlog, but this is the wine that we've been drinking. Fitvine wine.
Fitvine wine.
And it's the Cabernet Sauvignon.
The Pinot's good too, but we like the Cab better.
And basically, similar to dry farm wines, they individually test these to make sure there's no unnecessary sulfites, residual sugars, etc., etc., etc. I don't know what the alcohol content is in dry farms, but this is 13.9% alcohol by volume. Anywho, I have noticed that since, like, on nights where I drink a glass of wine, my deep sleep seems to be longer, but my REM sleep seems to be shorter. So I thought that was kind of interesting.
That is interesting. Did you have wine last night? No.
We didn't? I don't remember.
I don't either. You
But
had like 9 minutes of REM sleep last night?
yeah, that was probably the
Crazy.
shortest I've ever had.
I've never measured my sleep, but I'm really curious to.
Yeah, so we're gonna kind of manipulate a few things on that. Right now we're trying to just figure out how to end this vlog because it's been a bunch of randomness. We picked up a bunch of ingredients from my uncle's warehouse. We went looking at houses.
It was just a busy day.
It was a busy day. I had a podcast. I had several business meeting calls. I had a bunch of tax stuff to do. Just kind of a bunch of craziness. Had several meetings with the employees that all panned out really well. I'm really proud of my employees, every single one of them. I really do love them all. What else? You want to talk about your thing? Or that should be a standalone video?
It's a standalone video.
So we have a standalone video about Crystal's
Hormones.
but that won't be today. That'll be in another day's video.
If you guys really don't care, you should just comment below. Crystal, we really don't care.
So to preface,
Or if you do care, then comment that.
to preface that video, it's been how long since?
It's been a full month.
It's been a full month since she's taken out the IUD and has gone towards more natural methods of controlling hormones and whatnot. So we have a vlog dedicated to that topic. But I think it's pretty relevant information.
Yeah, I've actually had a lot of people ask me like via Instagram and all of that. So thought we would just do a video to recap. But maybe we'll do it another day this week.
Something else that I'm excited to talk about or purchase. I'm going to purchase this massive water filter that sits on our counter in there. And it's like a 6-gallon water filter. That way we don't have to keep buying a bunch of glass bottles because Crystal's getting tired with me buying glass bottles.
I refuse to buy them anymore.
Yeah.
They're expensive as all get out.
So I'm going to get this huge stainless steel filter. So I'm excited about that.
What's the brand?
I don't remember. I've got it saved. It's on Amazon. That is pretty much all I have to say. You?
That's all I gotta say.
Alright. Well, y'all, I'm sorry this vlog's been all over the place, but such is so in the day of the life sometimes. So, we'll see y'all tomorrow.